So, in today's video, I'm going to share a solution that will allow you to use any AI voiceover tool for free, such as 11labs. To use 11labs for free, you only need its audio once, so download it once.
As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates.
Then, go to this website. After that, create an account here, which is free. If you don't want to use your real email ID, you can use temporary mail and a temporary number. After logging in, select Individual, then Videos, and then Educational. After that, click on the voice cloning option on the side. Then, create a new voice and click Instant. Enter the voice name, upload the file. Select the gender, describe the voice, and you're done. Now select the voice and use it. Now you can use any voiceover for free. So if you find this video helpful, please like it and comment if this works for you or not.